Okay, welcome to the Wolf of Wall Street, Domain 4, Billing, Pricing, and Support. Forget penny stocks, you're trading cloud services now. AWS is your market, and every dollar counts. You're not just learning pricing models, you're learning how to make the cloud pay dividends. Let's roll. Question 1. Which AWS pricing model is pay-as-you-go, no upfront cost? A. Spot instances. B. On demand. C. Reserve instances. D. Savings plans. The correct answer is B. On demand. On demand lets you pay per hour, minute, second without commitments. Ideal for short-term workloads. Question 2. Which option provides discounts for committing to a 1 or 3-year term? A. Reserved instances. B. On demand. C. Spot instances. D. Savings plans. The correct answer is A. Reserved instances. Reserved instances deliver up to 75% savings for long-term commitments. Question 3. Which option lets you bid on spare AWS capacity for deep discounts? A. Savings plans. B. Spot instances. D. Dedicated host. D. Capacity reservations. The correct answer is B. Spot instances. Spot instances can save up to 90%, but may terminate if AWS reclaims capacity. Question 4. How are savings plans different from reserved instances? A. They apply across regions and instance types. B. They cost more. C. They require upfront payment only. D. They can't auto-scale. The correct answer is A. They apply across regions and instance types. Savings plans provide flexible discounted pricing that isn't locked to instance families. Question 5. Which data transfer is always free? A. Between AZs. B. Outbound to the internet. C. Inbound to AWS. D. Cross-region traffic. The correct answer is C. Inbound to AWS. Data into AWS is free. Outbound traffic incurs regional charges. Question 6. What do S3 Standard, IA, and Glacier represent? A. Database engines. B. Compute types. C. Storage tiers. D. Availability zones. The correct answer is C. Storage tiers. Each storage tier balances cost with access frequency. Question 7. Which pricing option dedicates physical servers to a single customer? A. Dedicated host. B. On demand. C. Reserved. D. Capacity reservations. Correct answer is A. Dedicated host. Dedicated hosts provide hardware isolation for compliance needs. Question 8. Which model reserves capacity for short bursts without long-term commitment? A. Savings plans. B. Capacity reservations. C. Spot instances. D. Reserved instances. The correct answer is B. Capacity reservations. Capacity reservations ensure availability within an AZ without requiring a 1 to 3-year term. Question 9. Which of the following is true about AWS free tier? A, it's unlimited. B, it expires after 1 year for most services. C, it requires upfront payment. D, it includes all AWS regions. The correct answer is B. It expires after 1 year for most services. AWS free tier includes limited usage for 12 months for services like EC2, S3, and Lambda. 10. Moving data between availability zones within the same region is A, always free. B, incurs a small transfer fee. C, requires a dedicated instance. D, is included in the free tier. The correct answer is B, incurs a small transfer fee. Cross AZ data transfers are billed at regional network rates. Question 11. Which AWS tool visualizes spending trends? A, Billing Console. B, Budgets. C, Cost Explorer. D, Pricing Calculator. The correct answer is C, Cost Explorer. Cost Explorer displays historical and forecasted AWS spending. Question 12. Which feature sets spending limits and sends notifications when exceeded? A, Billing Conductor. B, AWS Budgets. C, Cost Explorer. D, Savings Plans. The correct answer is B, AWS Budgets. AWS Budgets tracks cost and trigger alerts when thresholds are reached. Question 13. Which AWS tool helps you estimate cost before you deploy resources? A, Cost Explorer. B, Pricing Calculator. C, Budgets. D, Cost Anomaly Detection. The correct answer is B, Pricing Calculator. The AWS Pricing Calculator estimates monthly cost based on chosen services. Question 14. Which feature aggregates multiple accounts under one bill? A, Identity Access Management Policies. B, Consolidated Billing. C, Organizations Control Tower. D, Savings Plans. The correct answer is B, Consolidated Billing. Consolidated billing combines accounts for shared discounts and central visibility. Question 15. Which tool uses machine learning to spot unusual spending patterns? A, Cost Anomaly Detection. B, AWS Budgets. C, Trusted Advisor. D, Billing Conductor. Correct answer is A, Cost Anomaly Detection. Cost anomaly detection flags unexpected spikes in usage or charges. Question 16. Which AWS support plan offers business hours email support? A, Developer. B, Business. C, Enterprise. D, Basic. The correct answer is A, Developer. Developer support includes weekday access to cloud specialists. Question 17. Which plan adds 24/7 phone and chat access to engineers? A, Enterprise. B, Business. C, Developer. D, Basic. correct answer is B, business. Business support offers round-the-clock technical help and architecture advice. Question 18. Which plan includes a technical account manager? A, business. B, enterprise. C, developer. D, basic. The correct answer is B, enterprise. Enterprise support adds a technical account manager for strategic and proactive guidance. 19. AWS Trusted Advisor helps customers how? A, by monitoring security and cost optimization. B, by managing IAM users. C, by tracking app logs. D, by deploying resources. The correct answer is A, by monitoring security and cost optimization. Trusted Advisor analyzes cost, performance, and security for improvements. Question 20. Which resource provides official AWS documentation and best practice white papers? A, AWS documentation. B, AWS repost. C, AWS marketplace. D, AWS partner network. The correct answer is A, AWS documentation. AWS docs and white papers offer reliable, exam-ready technical guidance. Okay, congratulations. You just closed the biggest deal in cloud history. You own AWS pricing, billing, and support like a true closer. Now go get that certification and ring that bell. See you next time.